Hi guys, in this video we talk about several aspects of GT. We discuss it in 4 or 5 broad categories like overview, importance, how many GTs, process, the review process and outcome. So let's start. GTs are mandatory. It's an important strategy. There are 3 important strategies: GTs, revisions and custom modules. These are most 3 powerful strategy to boost up your preparation. So GTs are the most powerful tool to evaluate yourself. Now importance. Feels like a real exam. Best device to give GT is the desktop. Okay. Next best option is laptop. If not possible, then iPad or Android tab. Last option is phone. Because the real exam happens in the desktop. So if you practice to give GT in the desktop, then your path will be easy. So grand test gives you an idea about time management, gives you idea about your strong subject, your weak subject, your strong topics, your weak topics, etc. Now the question is, how many GTs should I give? 1 per week. If not possible, then 1 per 15 days, means 2 per month. I will recommend you to don't skip any GT, because GT is the most powerful tool to evaluate yourself. Now the most important part, review process. How to review a GT. Review is must. Without review, GT is of no value. Without review, GT is valueless. So you give GT. After giving GT, start with incorrect answer. Okay. Now you check the skipped question. Then marked answer. At last, correct answer. So now the incorrect answer, skipped question and the marked answer. These 3 categories, you have to add this in your notes. Okay. Now the target. Targets are improve the solving speed. For each question, if the question is one-liner, then try to give the answer less than 20 seconds. If the question is lengthy or clinical, then try to give the answer less than 50 seconds. Try to give the GT, entire GT, within 2.5 hours. Now the most important part, high attempt. Attempt the questions as much as possible. It's my humble request, don't skip any question. If you skip 30 or 40 questions, then you are already out of the game. Okay. So don't skip any question. For each correct response, there is 4 marks. Okay. For each incorrect response, 1 mark will be deducted. So the simple calculation is, if out of 4 questions, if I got 1 answers right, 3 answers wrong, then our profit is 1 mark positive shift. Means out of 4 questions, if 3 questions are wrong, then 3 mark will be deducted, but for 1 question right, 4 marks will be added. So our profit is 1 mark positive shift. Okay. So if you rule out any one option, go for it. If you rule out any 2 options, definitely go for it, because 50% chance is there. Next target is achieve a stable phase in GT graph. Try to evaluate the GT graph. Look, the graph should be increasing day by day. After some time, the graph will be in a stable phase. We have to aim the stable phase. Now, improve the guessing power by ruling out the option. So if you give more GTs, then your guessing power will be improved. You will be the master of exclusions. Next target is never to mistake the questions that you already did wrong in previous GT. Now the outcome. You will be more confident day by day. Your guessing power will be improved. You will be closer to success day by day. At last, you are the best. Trust yourself, you are the best. So that's all about GT. Try to give more GTs, don't skip any GT, and it's my humble request to don't skip any question. गलत करो, लेकिन skip मत करना. Because out of 4 questions, if we correct 1 question, then 1 mark will be added. Okay. Out of 5 questions, if we get incorrect 4 questions and correct 1 question, then the result is same, means 0. It's very unlikely out of 5 questions you will correct 1 question. If 2 questions are correct, then the profit is ours, isn't it? So don't skip any question. It's my humble request, don't skip any question. गलत करो, बहुत सारा गलत करो, but skip मत करना. ठीक है? So this is all about GTs. See you in next video. Take care. Tata.